Dr. Josh Axe here, Doctor of Natural Medicine and founder of DrAxe.com. In this video, I'll be talking about low-fat diet and the big dangers that are absolutely going to surprise you. You know, low-fat diets have been used for a lot of years now, and I'll tell you, they are very ineffective in a lot of areas. But here's the bigger thing to know. There can be major side effects if you follow a low-fat diet. You know, I want to give you an example. I had a patient come in years ago who got put on a low-fat diet to lower his cholesterol levels. In fact, he started having thinning hair and losing his hair. He started getting muscle wasting, nerve pain. The reason is that fat and cholesterol are what make up 25% of your brain. They make up your nerve tissue. They support tissue regeneration, nerve function. In fact, every cell in your body has what's called a lipid bilayer. It's made of fat. So if you're not getting fat, you're missing probably the most important macronutrient for supporting healing and regeneration in your body. Number one thing here, or side effect of a low-fat diet, is poor brain function. Again, 25% of your brain is made up of fat. So it can actually contribute to health issues such as dementia, Alzheimer's, even cause issues over time like ADHD. It can contribute to autism. In fact, did you know that when you look at clinical studies, when patients get put on a higher fat diet like a ketogenic diet, it's been shown to help treat epilepsy, improve focus, support overall reducing food sensitivities, and a whole lot more. So again, high fat is actually much better than low fat, especially when it comes to brain function. Number two, compromised heart health. The truth is you need certain fatty acids for your heart to function properly and to keep inflammation levels low, especially omega-3 fatty acids, medium chain fatty acids, and monounsaturated fats that are found in things like olive oil, avocados, and almonds. So again, for heart health, if you want to support your heart health, follow an anti-inflammatory diet and go low in sugar and refined grains. That's the key to a healthy heart. Number three, hormone imbalance. You know, again, many of the hormones in your body, or steroids, these are made up of cholesterol and fat. You need those in your body. You know, I had a patient a few years ago who was struggling with infertility. And she had tried, you know, a lot of different things. We finally had her go on a low-carb diet. Rather than, low-carb rather than low-fat, we upped her fat intake, and she got pregnant within about 3 months. And listen, this isn't me claiming that this one diet can fixes fertility, but I will tell you this. Your hormones in your body in many conditions today, whether it's PCOS or PMS or other issues, in order to balance hormones, sugar and refined grains and emotional stress, those things will cause insulin imbalance and hormone issues much bigger than any fat will. In fact, fat in general will support a hormone balance if you're getting the right type of fats in your diet, like omega-3 fats, like healthy saturated fats, and like medium chain fats. You know, those are good options there. All right, number four, weight gain and overeating. You know, one of the great things about fat is it allows you to get fuller, and it sort of helps balance those insulin levels, and really works with two hormones in the body called leptin and ghrelin. Leptin is your body's hormone that tells your body to burn fat. Ghrelin is known as your hunger hormone that tells your body that you're full. If you're going low-fat diet and you're not getting that fat that's really helping with those insulin levels, you're going to have more and more and more cravings over time, causing overeating and weight gain. All right, number five here, higher risk of insulin resistance and diabetes. Again, a high-carb diet and a low-fat diet will absolutely absolutely put you at risk of diabetes and high blood sugar levels and hypoglycemia. Higher risk for depression and anxiety. Remember, I said this earlier. Your brain is made up of 25% fat and cholesterol. You need fats to support proper hormone production, actually even absorption of certain nutrients and vitamins. You need healthy fat. So again, you don't want to go low fat, especially for these disorders. And last thing, gut-related problems. If you're consuming a higher carb diet, it tends to overfeed yeast and bad bacteria in the body and can really cause a condition such as candida or yeast infections and yeast buildup in the body. High fats don't have that issue. You want to be eating a diet for gut health, high in things like bone broth, high in vegetables, high in berries and different herbs, and then lots of fats like coconut, avocados, olives and flax seeds. You want to do more fat in your diet, even for gut-related problems. So here's some of the fats you need. You need saturated fats, both long and medium chain. You're going to get these fats again in things like coconut, in things like grass-fed butter. You need those fats, and even animal meats. Eating chicken skin, really high in good saturated fat, healthy grass-fed steak, wild-caught salmon. These are great options. Monounsaturated fats. These are found in a big part of the Mediterranean diet. These are found in really high levels in olive oil and avocados. And polyunsaturated fats you want are going to be omega-3 rich foods and some omega-6. Hemp seeds are a good source of omega-6. And in addition, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and then the big omega-3 rich foods, wild-caught salmon, mackerel, sardines, herring. But those fatty fish, along with things like walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, some of the best sources of fat you can get. And here is some healthy fat sources. Coconut oil, medium chain triglyceride or MCT oil, fish oil, avocados, butter and ghee, extra virgin olive oil, and sprouted nuts and seeds. Make these a big part of your diet as well, along with grass-fed meats. And again, remember, don't go low fat. Look at all these side effects. You're much better off eating like our ancestors, a hunter-gatherer diet, and really keeping balanced macronutrients of really good quality sources of fat, protein, and some beneficial carbs like fruit and some sprouted grains in the right proportions is what's going to get you to your highest level of health. And hey, if you've enjoyed this live training video, make sure to subscribe here to this YouTube channel. I've got a lot more videos coming out on how to use food as medicine, a lot of herbal remedies, and a whole lot more. And hey, if you want to learn more as well, I've got hundreds of videos here on YouTube. So if you're wondering, hey, what are the benefits of turmeric, or what's the best diet for weight loss, just search Dr. Axe weight loss or Dr. Axe turmeric, and you'll find a lot of information here on YouTube as well as Google as well. Hey, thanks for watching this video on the dangers of a low-fat diet.